Hello everybody, my name is Anthony Jones, and in this video tutorial I'm going to walk you through forms and rendering them. And we're going to talk about, in this specific video, like learning how to render. There's plenty of great content out there and a lot of video tutorials that I think that are out there even for free that you guys can check out, and I think you should. Not only because it's good to just get good advice and insight from many different places, but it will just demonstrate that there's many different ways that people like to render. And what I'm going to try to do is just to teach you how I go about it and see if that it's helpful for you, and then give you some tips and tricks in the next few videos, along with a no audio commentary demo at the very end. With that being said, let's go ahead and check out this Pinterest board. Well, it's not really a board. I just typed in form studies, and it's looking for form studies in all sorts of places. And just like the learning how to, basically finish a drawing and to find strategies, one of the things that I talk about is like how to study and how to practice specific things about rendering. But this, we're going to go a little bit more deeper, and we're going to talk about what is great about, just studying, just rendering by itself. So if you take a look at an image like this, what I like about this image, and we're going to go ahead and just put it into Photoshop. There you go. So if you look right here, we have, it's called a hand tool, and we're just looking at this as a way to study and observe. And again, like trying to figure out your forms, this is very similar, as I explained in that video tutorial. So what we're going to do here differently is basically just try to figure out how to render it using different brushes, different tools. Now, I like to use just like the straight up round brush right here. And so what you can try to do is try to render this. And maybe I'll just focus in on this one area, not the whole thing.